Powerful blenders and immersion blenders for blending perfection. Blenders are an essential tool for any kitchen, whether you're whipping up smoothies, pureeing soups, or creating delectable sauces. If you're in the market for a high-performance blender, look no further than the Vitamix VMO197 Explorian Blender and the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender. The Vitamix Explorian Blender is a powerhouse when it comes to blending tough ingredients. Its robust motor and sharp blades effortlessly pulverize ice, leafy greens like kale, and even dense fruits. With variable speed control, you can easily achieve the perfect consistency for your smoothies, sauces, or even nut butters. The Vitamix Explorian Blender is a versatile companion for all your blending needs. On the other hand, the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender offers convenient handheld blending with exceptional precision. This immersion blender features an ergonomic grip that provides comfort and control during blending. The powerful motor and stainless steel blades ensure smooth soups, velvety sauces, and silky smooth smoothies. Its compact design makes it easy to store, while the detachable blending shaft allows for effortless cleanup. Whether you choose the Vitamix Explorian Blender or the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender, you can trust in their reliability and performance to deliver blending perfection in your kitchen.